Every moment, every day I wanna be the man that will love you until the end. Now you hurt me, that's okay, alone I will stand. That's what I do now, all the promises that I vow. Now it's all wasted away, all this memory fade away. I feel like my whole life is dark and grey, but I won't lose hope, not a single day. I will always pray. Now it's like I hate ya of all the things that you've done to me. You don't have to worry, be now you're free. I don't want you back in my life. Being with you, it's like I'm cutting myself with a knife. Remember the words you said to me, without you I won't survive. Still now you're alive. Said I will never leave you by my side. Truly love you, baby, deep inside. But now you say you leave me, you already decide. I beg you to stay, but you always deny. I guess this is it, my final words. I wish the best for you, even if it hurts. I wish you find yourself a better dude. I hope he does what I can never do. I promise you I'll never be the same. When you need help, I'm the one who always came. I'm the one who picked you up when you stand pump in the rain. I'm the one who took you back when you left me in such a pain. Don't call my name, I don't wanna feel the pain. I hope he's the right guy that you met. I can bet what you give to him, you will surely regret.
If you like my channel, please tell to your friend. If you don't like, please tell me, so that I can make it the best. Thank you for watching.